How can I extend the lifespan of my gel battery?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how you can extend the lifespan of your gel battery. This type of battery is known for its low maintenance needs and durability, but with the right techniques, you can make it last even longer. Maximizing your battery's lifespan not only helps you save money but also contributes to sustainability by reducing waste.
What is a gel battery?
First things first, let's understand what a gel battery is. A gel battery, also known as a gel cell, is a type of VRLA, valve-regulated lead acid, battery where the electrolyte is mixed with silica to form a gel-like substance. This makes the battery spill-proof, which is one of its significant advantages.
Regular charging is key.
The longevity of your gel battery largely depends on how you charge it. Gel batteries prefer slow, steady charging over fast, high-current charging. Charging at high rates can cause gas pockets to form in the gel, damaging the battery. Always use a charger designed for gel batteries. These chargers are set to limit the voltage to prevent gas from forming. Never let your battery to be fully discharged before recharging it. This can dramatically reduce its lifespan. Try to recharge it when it's around 50% discharged.
Keep your battery at a moderate temperature.
The temperature at which you store your battery can significantly affect its lifespan. Avoid exposing your battery to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. High temperatures can speed up the chemical reactions inside the battery and lead to quicker degradation. Ideally, store your battery in a cool, dry place.
Regular inspection and maintenance.
Despite being low maintenance, regular inspection and maintenance can help you identify any potential issues early on and extend your battery's lifespan. Check the battery terminals for corrosion regularly. Clean them if necessary. Make sure the battery is securely mounted to prevent unnecessary vibrations which can lead to internal damage. That wraps up our guide on how to extend the life of your gel battery. By following these tips, you can maximize your battery's lifespan and efficiency. Remember, proper charging, temperature control, and regular inspections are your keys to a long-lasting battery. We hope this information will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching.